Alright, so when you see a question like this that tells you about lines being perpendicular to each other, of course you know that this is probably going to be a question about slopes, and we know that perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. So you could plug in here, and maybe you choose to do that on your own. I'm going to solve this with algebra, just because I want you to see exactly what's going on with the slopes, and I think that both ways are valid ways to go, but in this video we're going to do the algebra. So line M passes through the point 3, 2 and 5p. So, and they say p is greater than 2. So that's what you could use as a guide to plug in. What we're going to do is we're going to just write out the equation for the slope. So the slope of line M, slope sub M, right? That's going to be the rise over the run. So we're going to say the rise is p minus 2. That's y value minus y value, right? And the run is going to be 5 minus 3. We can simplify this a little bit, so it's p minus 2 over 2, right? And now what we want to do is we want to find a slope that is the negative reciprocal of that. Well, obviously, the negative reciprocal of p minus 2 over 2, I'll write this down here because I ran out of space, slope of line L is just going to be negative 2 over p minus 2, right? Negative for the negative part of the negative reciprocal, and 2 over p minus 2, flip the fraction for the reciprocal part of the negative reciprocal. So this is the negative reciprocal of that. Negative recip. Cool? So now what we need to do is look at the answer choices for a choice where the slope is this. And it doesn't take long because choice A has that as a slope, right? Negative 2 over p minus 2. And the plus 3, all that doesn't matter. What we care about here is the slope, and that is the slope that we want. Done.